All right guys, winter has ended, spring is here, and I'm guessing all of your rubber floor mats look like mine. The way we're gonna clean these mats, we picked up some Adams rubber mat cleaner. We're not sponsored, picked this up with my own money. I use a lot of Adams product, but never tried this one. And I saw something else, somebody said, use this and this trim cleaner, and they make them look brand new again. So we're gonna try that today. The process is gonna be, we're just gonna wash the mats off like you would. Then we're gonna spray this on, scrub them down with a brush, rinse that off again, and then we're gonna hit it with the Stoner Car Care Trim Shine, and then knock it down with a cloth, make sure it's not slippery, make sure it's safe, because if it's not, then I'm not recommending this. So we're gonna check it out. All right guys, so we're gonna go wash these off real quick. I'm assuming you know how to do that, so we're gonna do this part off camera, and we'll be right back. All right, we're back from washing the mat off. So at this point, I usually just throw it back in the Jeep. And like you see, you spend all that time cleaning your interior, it looks fantastic. And then you throw your floor mats back in, they look kind of dull and grayed out. It kind of ruins the look of the interior. So I'm hoping with this combo, it kind of brings back that black luster shine. So let's figure that out right now. All right, so the first thing is gonna be the Adams Polish Rubber Mat Liner Cleaner. We're just gonna spray it all over and then scrub it in with a brush. So let's do that now. I'm just gonna apply it heavy and then just scrub it in. It smells fantastic. So we just scrubbed in all of the Adams cleaner. We're gonna go wash it off and see what it looks like after that. All right, so we just washed off all the Adams matte cleaner. Here's what it looks like after it's dried. It still has that dull grayish finish to it. I'm assuming it's much cleaner, but it's just not as shiny like I want it. So we're gonna spray this trim shine on it and knock it down with the cloth, just make sure it's not slippery, and we're gonna see what the after looks like. All right, so we're gonna spray on the Stoner Car Care Trim Shine. We're just gonna spray it all over. It's aerosol, so it makes it really easy. All right, now we're just gonna grab our cloth and we're gonna wipe it down. Just make sure it's not all oily and slippery. All right, so we just wiped down the Stoner Car Care Trim Shine. It's not slippery or greasy to the touch. It looks a little darker, looks a little nicer, so I do like this combo. All right guys, I just wanted an overhead shot. This is one we cleaned with rubber mat liner cleaner and trim shine, and this is what it looked like before we washed or did anything. You can really tell the difference. It looks great. Yeah, I would definitely use this. All right, so as you can see the before and after, I definitely recommend using the Adams cleaner and the Stoner Trim Shine. I'll leave them in the description below. If you guys want to check them out on Amazon. Hopefully you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.